Hey there, welcome back. Today we're going to be checking out the Google Wi-Fi. I've had it for a couple months now, and quite frankly, it is the easiest and most efficient router that I've ever had within my house. I got the 3-pack off of Facebook Marketplace from someone, and this particular version allows you to do up to 4,500 square feet, which is perfect for my house being quite large. There's complete coverage, and it makes it really simple to kind of keep track of what sort of traffic is on your internet at your house, and you can do this wirelessly. Pretty much anywhere you have an internet connection, you can check and change settings for your home internet. Google Wi-Fi has both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz bandwidths, and it broadcasts pretty seamlessly. There's no real interruption, and I've only had to restart the network once, and I did that from my phone, so I didn't even need to go upstairs to kind of unplug it or turn it off. It just rebooted and worked again. So the inlet to these are USB-C. It's right there in the middle, and then you have Ethernet ports. The one on the right is for internet when you're connecting it to your modem, and then when you're done doing that, you scan in the QR code, and then that registers it with the app. They're really simple looking. They're about the size of like a little bigger than a hockey puck if you stacked maybe a couple of them. They're powered by USB-C, like I said. The button on the back, I'm guessing, is just a reset button, but to hook them up, obviously you want to unplug your old router and unplug the Ethernet from your modem. I like putting on this new flatter kind of Ethernet that was provided with it. And then you open up the app and basically just follow the guided steps within the Google Wi-Fi app, and you're set up. The access points kind of figure out where they are within the house, and it creates what they call a mesh network, which basically is a low latency kind of network that is able to move information both up and down from the internet. So by far, this has been my favorite internet situation that I've had at my house in a very long time, and I get full coverage, which makes it way better for me and people who come to visit the house. You can also prioritize devices, which is really neat.